In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to orchestrate AI like a pro with Zapier. It's an exciting journey into the world of automation, where you can streamline your workflows by seamlessly connecting multiple apps and services. The best part is that we're going to make it pretty darn simple. So, grab a cup of coffee and let's dive in. First off, you'll want to head over to the Zapier website. Zapier is a powerful tool that allows you to automate various tasks by connecting different applications. It's the backbone of many businesses looking to save time and reduce manual work by automating repetitive tasks. So, open your browser and navigate to Zapier's website. Once you're there, you're going to want to find the Login button. It's conveniently located on the home page. Simply click on it and enter your credentials to access your Zapier dashboard. With access established, let's proceed to the Zapier home. You'll find a wealth of options to explore. But for our purposes, let's focus on creating what's called a Zap. Your first stop is the Zaps tab, where all the magic truly begins. Click on Zaps, and you will be taken to an interface where you can start crafting your automated workflows. Once you're on the Zaps page, look for the button to create a Zap. Creating a Zap is essentially setting up a new automated task. It involves defining a trigger, something that starts the process, and one or more actions that Zapier will carry out for you. This simple setup can replace hours of manual work if done right. So, go ahead and click on the button to create a Zap. After initiating the creation process, let's focus on defining an action, which essentially states what happens after your trigger event takes place. Click on the Action section. Here you can hunt for a wide array of apps and services that Zapier supports. For today's tutorial, we're going to focus on integrating with ChatGPT. In the search bar, type in ChatGPT. This integration allows ChatGPT to interact with other services, generating responses based on your configurations. Once you've found ChatGPT, click on it to confirm your selection. This action will now link your Zap to ChatGPT, enabling it to leverage the capabilities of OpenAI's technology as part of your workflow. As simple as that, you've orchestrated AI like a true pro using Zapier. Whether it's automating customer service responses, generating content, or managing tasks, this little process can revolutionize how you handle your operations. So, there we have it. A simple yet powerful way to incorporate AI into your everyday workflows using Zapier. Play around with different configurations and see how much time you can save. Thank you for watching, and happy automating!